Solitar Swimming Pool Construction Company, where we specialize in designing and building top-of-the-line swimming pools for architects, builders, landscape designers, and other industry professionals. Our goal is to create aquatic masterpieces that not only meet your expectations but surpass them, providing a unique and luxurious experience for your clients. With years of experience under our belt, our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering exceptional results. We understand the importance of collaboration and work closely with you to ensure that your vision is brought to life. From initial concept to final installation, we are committed to providing unparalleled service and expertise in the field of swimming pool construction. Our company takes pride in using only the highest quality materials and cutting-edge technology to create stunning, long-lasting swimming pools. We are constantly innovating and staying up to date with the latest trends and advancements in the industry, ensuring that your pool is both visually striking and built to stand the test of time. In addition to our dedication to quality, we also prioritize sustainability and eco-friendly practices in our swimming pool construction. We strive to minimize our environmental impact by using energy-efficient systems, responsible water management, and sustainable materials whenever possible. This not only benefits the planet but also results in lower operating costs for your clients. So, whether you're an architect looking to incorporate a breathtaking swimming pool into your next project or a landscape designer seeking a reliable partner to bring your aquatic vision to life, our swimming pool construction company is here to help. Let's work together to create a stunning, functional, and sustainable aquatic oasis that you and your clients will love for years to come.